Hello everyone, this is Shiela Piet, and for today's video, I will be making a simple but incredibly tasty dish with the current seasonal vegetables, white asparagus with ham and egg and Hollandaise sauce. I have already peeled the asparagus. We only have to slice the lemon and cut off the bottom of the asparagus about 2 cm. Add water in the cooking pot, then squeeze the lemon and add 10 grams of butter. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Bring the water to a boil and cook for 15 minutes. While the asparagus is cooking, let's check the potatoes and the egg. I cook them together because I'm trying to save time and I'm also lazy to cook them separately. If you do this, you just have to make sure that you cook the eggs the way you like them. The potatoes takes about 20 minutes. I am aiming for a hard-boiled egg, so that would be 7 minutes. It's time to remove the asparagus from the cooking pot. Drain briefly on a tea towel or kitchen paper. At the same time, I'm also going to prepare the Hollandaise sauce. You can make them fresh or buy the ready-made and just heat it up. Finally, sprinkle some herbs or finely chopped parsley.